Hey y'all, happy Sunday. Cheers. I've had some requests for easy meals, so I'm going to do one today. Really easy, one pot cooking. We're going to do, I got some beef cubes, whatever you want to call them, stew meat, beef tips, whatever. Got some egg noodles. I got some oil in the pan getting hot. Pepper, garlic, oregano, paprika, hot smoked paprika, salt. And I will need a little ketchup and what's this here sauce. That's still in the icebox.
No onions?
No, I was going to put onion in it, but I was going to put mushrooms in it. I decided no, I'm going to make this really simple and basic. But before I start cooking, I got to give a shout out to Ashley and Matt. Karen, Terry, and I was out Friday night eating at our favorite German restaurant. And I went outside to smoke a cigarette, and here comes Ashley, like, you got a YouTube channel? I'm like, yeah. Yeah, we watch all your videos. I'm like, well, cool. So I talked to her for a while, and then went back in there, and then I talked to her husband, or I guess it's her husband, it's Matt. I talked to him for a while. And then they went and found other people that watched me and brought them in. And so we took some pictures, and
They took some pictures.
yeah, they took pictures. I didn't. I can't even draw a picture. But then, yeah, I just want to give, I told them I'd give them a shout out. So Ashley and Matt, and I give Ashley top billing because she was the first one to talk to me. And she was sitting there and she said she was going to buy me a beer. Were you drinking Rolling Rock? Because I had a green bottle in front of me. And she picked it up, and it was a Heineken, and she said, that ain't that cheap shit you to drink on film. I was like, no, I'm out with Karen. I can't drink that cheap stuff with her. So they bought me a Heineken, and we finished our dinner. And so anyway, there's your shout out, Ashley and Matt. And
Smashley?
yeah, and it was cool, man. I appreciate it. And y'all come back and see me sometime. So let me get my fire turned up and get my beef in there, and we'll be right back. Okay, probably gonna have to do this in 2 batches. I got about 1.5 pounds of meat here. I don't want to overcrowd the pan. I want to get a good sear on it. See what that looks like.
I'll put that little dab in there, yeah.
Yeah, I might be able to put that other bag in there too. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of it in. Get it all done at once. There ain't that much in there. And then season it up. Season it how you want. I'm going to put some pepper on there. Black pepper, just put it in there. Some garlic powder. We need some salt.
You're making this difficult.
I don't know. I'll have pasta in here later, so we need a little bit of salt. And a little, see, smoked paprika here, hot smoked paprika. And you don't need a lot of this stuff. I'm going to go about that much. Probably 1/3 of a teaspoon. This stuff is hot, but they have a sweet and a bittersweet as well, so use what you want.
Would you go around?
And some oregano. We'll put some oregano in there. Like I say, you can put what spices and stuff you want in there. I'm using this. So, stir this up. So, let me get all this seared up, and then we'll come back and show you the next step in a minute. Okay, I got this browned up. I'm going to put some, what's this here sauce in there. however much you want. Got to add with the collar later. And then you can use tomato paste, but you know me, I prefer Brooks ketchup. So we're going in with some Brooks ketchup.
Figure that out.
I got more. I've never got a Brooks. Brooks, best ketchup in the world. So we'll mix this up and let it get good and hot. And then I got about 1.5 quarts of warm water I'm going to put on top of here. Right here, warm water. It's about 1.5 quarts. That seems like a lot, but
Well,
ease up now. Ease up. Man, this thing ain't made for pouring.
well, not the way you pour.
Well, I'm glad I don't drink beers like that. I may need to add more water later, we'll see. So I'm gonna bring this up to a boil, turn it down, let it simmer, put a lid on it, and just let this go for a couple hours. Now I gotta go clean up all the water that I spilled.
Yeah.
So, we'll come back in a couple hours and see what happens. See you.
Well,
Okay, this has been simmering for about 2.5 hours now. And the meat's getting tender. So I'm going to add some pasta to this. Extra white egg noodles. And put it in there until I think I got enough to thicken it up and to cook the pasta. That'll probably be enough. So, we'll let this go another 10 or 12 minutes and then we'll be back and show you a bowl of this stuff or a plate, whatever we decide to eat off of it. I don't know. So, let the noodles cook and we'll be back. Okay, that's all I ended up with. Beef and noodles and some baguettes that we cut up. Simple, one pot. And the juice, you can just dip your baguette in there like that. Yum. That's what I did today. One pot, simple, easy. Put whatever spices you want in there, it don't matter. I gotta chew my food. So, that's what I did. I got an easy meal for y'all, and I normally don't do this kind of stuff, but I've had several requests for it, so I did it. I want to say again to Ashley and Matt, thank you guys. It was good meeting y'all. And hope to see you again. So, we're gonna go eat and drink some more beer. Y'all have a good one, and we'll be back next time. See ya.